So welcome to Python tutorials. I will discuss about the variables. So definition we will going to see on variables. In C, Java or some other programming languages, a variable is an identifier or a name connected to a memory location. Again, there is a variable called as A, nothing but for the memory we are giving a name, that is we will call it as variable. Using the variable we can able to fetch the data from the memory. Again, that for A, we assign value that is 10 using assignment operator. So we have a variable name A and this is the memory address 12114 and the value is 10. To fetch that value, we will going to name the memory with the variables, that is also called it as identifiers. B, again you can see this memory in this format. C, again you can see C value is 20 like that. Now A value is 30. Now we can able to update like this. Again, Y value. So we are assigning A value. A value is 30 like this. See, basically these things will going to happen in C. For every variable, memory address will be created like this. But in Python, little bit different. In Python, variables consider as a tag. Every variable consider as a tag that is tied to some value. Python consider value as a objects here. Okay, that's why object-oriented programming language Python. Let's see. A value is equal to 10. Again, address 12114 A. B value is equal to 10. Again, 12115. Again B. But you see, A value as well as B value both are having same value. A variable and B variable having a same value. That's why it will not going to create any memory for B variable. Instead of that, it will tie to some value that is A value. So like this. Okay. Again, A is equal to 20. When you give A value different value, automatically it will going to create a new memory location with address. Now I will going to assign same A value that is 20 to Y. So it will going to create a memory location 12678 like that. Okay. But so this will not going to happen because Y is taking a value of 20. So that is the reason why it will create a tag system. Okay, it will going to tie a to some particular value which is assigned before. So in Python, variables is considered as a tag that is tied to some value. Okay, Python consider value as objects here. That is the one reason. Okay, this is the format you can see. Okay, rules we can see. Every variable should starts with alphabets or underscore. No spaces are allowed in the variable declaration. Except underscore, no other special symbols are allowed in the middle of the variable declaration. A variable is written with a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters underscore. That is, no reserved keywords. Whatever the reserved keywords available in Python, we should not use it. Examples, while declaring a variable, what you can do, what you cannot do. Okay, do's and don'ts. Okay, so here like this we can able to, again one more thing, case sensitive. Okay, Python is a case sensitive language. These are all valid one. We should not do because and is a keyword. Okay, again name 15 valid one. Again 15 name invalid because starting from that number. Again underscore city valid one, but dollar city invalid one. Full name underscore name valid one. Full dollar name, it is invalid one. This is not acceptable. Full name, again full space name they have given. That's the reason why we should not do. So this is the theory of the variables. We will going to do the practical on it. Let's take a variable A. A is equal to 10. Again, I will going to say B is equal to 20. Again, I will going to print both the values. Print and So b, I will going to print both the values a comma b. Okay. So now we can able to see 10 and 20 is fetching from A's memory, again from B's memory. Now what I will do, a value I will going to assign 50. Again b value I will going to assign 50. Here, how to identify this A and B are sharing the same memory location? For that, what we have to do? Print A comma print. There is a, to identify the address, there is a function called it as ID function. I will use the ID function, that is A. It takes only one parameter. Now you can see, sorry, spelling mistake. Right. Okay, fine. See, this is the address for A. Again, I will copy this. Again, I will paste it here. See here, I will find the address for B. Same address, both are same address we have. Nothing but it will create only one memory location and B value will tie with that particular A value. So this is the reason it is call it as tagging system is available in the Python. Okay, again find the type of the variable. We have to find the type of the variable. That's why what we have to do, there is a function called it as print type function. So I will say it takes only one parameter. That's why type of A, what is that? Class integer. So because why it is coming class is reason is Python is a object oriented programming language. Again print, I will say type. Okay, here I will want to mention B. So you can able to see both are int type. Okay. Again, now one more thing we will going to see. A value is equal to 10. This is an integer. Again, A value is equal to 22.5. Now it is a float. A value is equal to hello. It is a string now. So here I will mention print type A. You can see now int. Again same. I will going to update the A value. So again, when I run this one, it will become float. Again, I will update the value. See, it will become string. Again, I will going to update the value. A is equal to 3 plus 7j. Okay. Again, I will going to update this value with A and I'm printing. This is complex and I will not going to provide A value. A is equal to none. This is also one type. None type. Okay. Again, same thing I will update. So this is none type. So like this, so many types of data types are available. We will discuss that. So this is how we will going to assign a variable and this is how we will going to update the variable. So this is all about variables and multiple declaration. How to do the multiple declaration? So A value is equal to, again, B value is equal to, C value is equal to, D value is equal to, okay. For all the variables, I will want to assign some value that is 20. When I print this one, print A, say 20. Again, print B, 20. So like that. Again, multiple declaration. So that is A comma B comma C comma D equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. So this is multiple way of declaring the variable. So this is multiple way. Way, way of declaration. Okay, now I wanted to print the values. Let's print this. Print, spelling mistake. Print A comma B comma C comma D. Okay, so let's print this one. See here, A value is 10, B value is 20, C value is 30, D value is 40. If you want it, you can able to write separately, but with the separator, A is a one object, B is a one object, C is a one object, D is one object. This is all about variables. Thank you very much.